Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove or hide icon or shortcut from desktop without deleting in Windows 10 PC or laptop. I don't delete software, I want to delete only the shortcut from our desktop. Go to the VLC media player or any icon that you want to delete. I want to delete VLC media player. Right click on that icon, right click on it. Here we find many options. Go to the delete, click on delete, and our icon is delete from our desktop, but our software or app is not delete. You can go to the start, type your software name and click on that software, and your software is open in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's only remove or hide from your desktop. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove or hide icon or shortcut from desktop without deleting in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.